Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Alex B, Mercedes guy, and today we're working on Mercedes. There's another lovely sunny day outside, so sun is back. Yay, good time for a driveway repair. So let's get to it. We have Ivan behind the camera today, in charge of image control, so I'll do the explaining. It's easier, I only got two hands. So today we're doing the repair on the glow plug thread that has been previously covered on the previous videos about the garage that broke the glow plug into the engine head, under the cylinder head. And what we got for this job, we got Nelson thread repair kit for glow plugs M8 1.0. This, as it's shown in the picture, it comes with 5 threaded glow plug repair inserts. They are meant for aluminium block, and they are threaded on the outside, M10.1, M8.1 on the inside. Obviously, if your thread is clean, is not broken, and you manage to take the glow plug, you got the M8 in the kit just to clean the thread, and then you got a hole cleaner, which is like this, just clean when you want to cut the thread and go on to the upper side, which is what we're doing now, to the M10. And obviously a handle for your insert, to correctly put the insert inside. So basically, once you cut the thread onto the engine, you thread this all the way up, and then you just normally use your ratchet with a 13mm, if I'm not in the wrong. Let's see, yes, that's correct. 30mm spanner ratchet. Ideally use a long extension like I have here and do that. So let's carry on. I already cut a bit of the thread, and this is the 10mm. And if you can look in there, Ivan, please, for me, everyone can see. Can I? Right. So if you go in there, and we can see right, this is what we want. We want a nice clean thread, use a lot of grease, and we got a nice little extension for the hoover, so it doesn't, we absorb all the little, it's connected to our little hoover, so we absorb all the little aluminium bits so they don't go into the engine head. So we're gonna carry on with this repair. Please follow us to the end, we'll show you the end result. And thank you for watching. Click on the subscribe button, notification, and gives us a thumbs up. Also, if there's anything we didn't cover or you'd like to see, maybe other kind of repairs and ideas, just comment on the section below. Thank you. So we kind of had to make a little adaptation here, and is because this tool that comes in the set the bolt goes through And well, into this particular vehicle, what happens is this. So there's not a lot of space, and when tightening the bolt, this is meant to be spinning as well. Otherwise you're just pulling the thread lock bush, right? And you're just pulling it against, so it needs to spill the whole assembly. So what we got is here, it's long bush. They used for you can find them at any B&Q, Home Depot or whatever, and they are normally used for bolting things down to the ground, to the floor in concrete. So they're big sleeve bushes. And what we're gonna do, instead of using the tool that came in the set, we're gonna do this, which, as you can see, it's spinning a lot better. And use some old trusty lock thread to thread the bush in there, and then hopefully we'll be able to put the new glow plug and the new assembly will be complete. So there it is, job done. Just remember, before you put the insert and the thread lock on the insert, make sure you use some isopropanol alcohol or acetone, anything that could clear all the grease up, so the thread lock does its job and actually bonds the insert to the aluminum. So wish me luck, guys. I'm gonna proceed now to put the new glow plug in there. It needs about 45 minutes to achieve full. So let's see, it says holding can take approximately 5 minutes, and for functional strength it's normally achieved after 45 minutes. So I'll be leaving that to harden in there, and after that number 2, so there's 1, 2 and another one somewhere up there. So yeah, wish me luck, and we might even hear this little beast roar again. Thank you. Hello everyone, and in the saga continuation with our CLS, we well, let's see, everything is mounted, everything is back on, so shall we get on and see? She just had a bit of a wash, a quick pressure washer, and in a minute it's gonna get some wax, but till then let's get in and see how she sounds. Right, do we have enough battery? I don't know. Listen to that. Eureka, we've done it. So all those boring episodes on this series that I've done, moaning about the garage, I know you're all dying to know what garage is that has done the shoddy work on my Mercedes, but no, I'm not gonna unveil it. I'm gonna leave it there. But yeah, she's back to life. Oh, top washer fluid, okay, but no other errors, so I'm happy with that. That sounds good. Let's give it a roar. Ooh. is lovely. Yeah, 145,000. What can I say? She is an old lady. 08 plate. And yeah, all we got to do is get rid of those nasty scratches. Yeah, the paint needs a detailing, but yeah, this is where we tried to get rid of those nasty washes. Yeah, but since we're gonna wrap it anyway, I'm not gonna bother. And probably this one, how's that sound? That was the culprit right there. And now she sounds healthy as before. Woohoo! Yeah, boys and girls. So thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button and the notification as well, and see you on the next one.